That's not Kurt Aaron in the backyard. That is Bird Aaron. We wanted to share with our viewers.
She just used your line, by the way. Bird Aaron.
What everyone in the control room and me here in the studio and Kurt in the newsroom have been fascinated by throughout this entire newscast. If you were watching Newswatch 16 this morning, then you saw Joe and the morning team trying to freeze all different kinds of things with the cold temperatures. Well, this little bird has been snacking on the frozen ramen for at least half an hour.
Yeah, and he's going to town on it.
Fascinated by it.
Yeah. Matter of fact, Anthony's here because he's working the night shift. You'll see him at 7, 10, and 11. And Eve was just here with us, and we were all watching the bird there. And the bird's having a ball. So,
and I know we have some very talented bird watchers who watch this show specifically. We think that this might be a Lincoln sparrow.
A Lincoln sparrow?
Yes.
Okay.
Or a song sparrow. If anyone is an expert and knows differently, just let us know.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
But
and you know what? They always let us know.
We're going to keep watching her as long as she's snacking on that ramen.
And you know what? If they want to let us know, they can email us real quick at weather@WNEP.com. Weather@WNEP.com. It's real simple. And tell us what you think it is.